For question number 3, we have 1500 meter cube of air at 50 degrees C and 1 atm is heated to 200 degrees C and compressed to 3 atm. What volume does the gas occupy in its final? Okay, for question number 3, actually the concept is almost the same like question number 2, where we need to use P1 V1 equals nRT1. First question, for first equation, we have P2 V2 equals nRT2. Okay, and then we need to divide 1 with 2. Okay, just now for question number 2 we have at standard condition, but this one we have the change of operating condition from P1 to P2, T1 to T2, so we can use the same concept where we divide both equation, sorry, P2 V2 and RT1 and RT2, and then Y R for sure the same because it is the gas constant, but N is the same. Why? Because it is a gas, it is just being expanded, right? So the volume will be the same. Okay, I sorry, the number of mole will be the same. Okay, so here we are going to cancel this one with this one, this one with this one. Then what we need to do now is we are going to list down what information that we have. So we have first condition and second condition. Okay, so here we have P1 equals 1 atm, T1 equals 50 degrees C, V1 equals 1500 meter cube. Then we have P2 here as 3 atm, T2 200 degrees C, and then we need to find V2, right, in meter cube. So as usual, we need to convert this to Kelvin. Okay, convert to Kelvin, convert to Kelvin. So if we rearrange this equation, that means we need to find V2, right? So V2 we are going to bring to the other side. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, we have to bring V2 to the other side, and then T1 to this side, T2 to this side. Okay, so what we will have here is V2 equals P1 V1 over P2. Okay, here P1 V1 over P2. And T1 bring to this side, so it will become denominator times with T2. T2 from denominator, it will become numerator, right? Okay, and then we plug in the value. We have 1 atm, 1 atm over P2 is 3 atm, 3 atm, and then times is V1. V1 is 1500 meter cube. Sorry, this is meter cube. Then T2 is 200 plus with 273, we have 473, 115 Kelvin. Okay, over this one we already plug in P2 value, and then T1 we have 50 plus 273, we have 3 3.15 Kelvin. So we can cancel Kelvin with Kelvin, ATM with ATM. Just now we have bar. Kelvin with Kelvin with Kelvin here, right? Just now, and then ATM, and then we have remain with meter cube, right? So if you press your calculator, the final answer that you will need to get is 732